Okay, go. It has started. Sweet. I can go next. So actually mine was passion too, and I'm like, man, you just presented that so good. I'm like, now I have to present and make mine sound really good too. Um, one one of the things that I really took away from it is actually, so I am a hair instructor. I teach people how to do hair. And one of the things that I was thinking about as I was reading about passion is that if the kind of the idea of like death by PowerPoint, and if you're just reading the slides, you can't really be engaged and excited about it. And so that was something huge that I kept on thinking about throughout reading about passion is you really have to engage your audience, and that's not really possible when you're reading off of slides. And I want to become a better presenter because nothing bad can come about that. Um, so one of the things that really stuck out to me, I'm trying to find it really quick. It's in the book. It's talking about like smiling, and you kind of mentioned it at the end, but it basically says that people can tell when you're not smiling genuinely, and when you smile, people tend to be more willing to listen to what you're saying, which I thought was really cool and like made a huge difference as far as when you're presenting. It's a really huge thing to try to do. Um, I also really liked where it talked about emotions being contagious. She kind of talks about being at an amusement park, and everyone was really excited, and that made her really excited, which I felt was a really cool thing that had to go with along with passion as well. So that's kind of what I had. Oh, we're fine. Sweet. I did the same thing.